In this video, I'd like to share with you a few important insights about the advantages and the drawbacks of tracking your habits. You will also learn what do recent scientific research have to say about the effectiveness of popular fitness trackers, fitness-related mobile applications, and habit trackers. So, what is a habit tracking and why we use it? Under habit tracking, I understand regular self-observation and recording of your targeted behavior. For example, when you install a fitness mobile application where you track how often you exercise or what you are eating, that is an example of a habit tracking. Participation in the weekly exercise and challenge is another example of a habit tracking. Habit tracking can be very helpful when you want to improve your lifestyle because of the following reasons. First, it motivates you to kick off a new habit that you wanted to introduce in your life. Competition with other participants of the weekly exercise and challenge pushes you to exercise every day. Ticking the boxes in Habit Tracker on your mobile phone or in paper version of a habit tracker is a pleasure in itself. Logging in your habit normally gives you a rewarding feeling. Well done, me! Second way how tracking habits may be useful is that it helps to collect insights about your behavior and environment. Each time when you log in your positive or negative result in a habit tracker, you may ask yourself, why I managed to exercise today? What helped me? Or what stopped me from exercising today? Asking yourself those questions for a few weeks will help you understand what are the typical obstacles and the risk factors in your environment that prevent you from achieving your goal. For example, one of my clients who participated in the Habits Bootcamp online course where I teach people how to build habits. So that client wanted to build a habit of running every morning. We started tracking that new habit of hers and found out that there are 3 typical reasons why she skips running on some of the days. Reason number 1, bad weather. Number 2, not enough sleep on the night before. And number 3, business meetings early in the morning. For each of those obstacles, we created a defense plan, a coping tactic. For example, my client prepared a special set of sports clothes for a bad weather so that rain couldn't stop her from running. She also improved her evening routines and sleep hygiene to make sure that she wakes up on time and full of energy. She agreed with her colleagues that from now on they will start their meetings after 10 in the morning. Those interventions helped her to protect her morning runs from the negative influence of external factors and turned it into a long-term habit. If you'd like to conduct a similar analysis of your habits, you may apply for the upcoming Habits Bootcamp. Check out the link in the description to this video. Unfortunately, often habits tracking is used in a suboptimal way. For example, in the most mobile habit trackers, the design of those applications does not encourage you to observe the risk factors threatening your new habits. Instead, they offer to log in your results and compete with other users to maintain your motivation. What's wrong with that, you may wonder? The issue here is that as long as you keep tracking and keep competing with other users, you are likely to stick to your new habit. However, as soon as you delete this application or stop using it, your habit is likely to get lost. Why that happens? Your motivation gets replaced from the intrinsic to the extrinsic. In other words, you keep running or exercising not because you genuinely want to, but because you want to tick the box and outperform your friends who are using the same application. And as soon as the competition is over, your motivation fades away. That is why the researchers studying various fitness trackers and health-related mobile applications conclude that those apps provide very modest results. People keep exercising while they are using those apps, but sooner or later they will quit the app and their new habit will be lost. If you want to avoid that, you should focus on the analysis of the negative and positive factors influencing your new habit and develop the defense plans. That is exactly what we do with the participants of the Habits Bootcamp. Feel free to apply.